Hello, now I'm going to share with you a practice of common verbs. Okay, let's all roll in. Writer, write, wrote, written, writing. Singer, sing, sang, sung, singing. Driver, drove, driven, driving. Teacher, teach, talked, taught, teaching. Seller, sell, sold, sold, selling. Helper, help, helped, helped, helping. Cook, cooked, cooked, cooking. Player, play, played, played, playing. Builder, build, built, built, building.
Okay. Very good. আপনার সন্তানকে ইংলিশ শেখাতে আজই যোগাযোগ করুন ইংলিশ মাস্টার দক্ষিণ বনশ্রী শাপলা বিল্ডিং সংলগ্ন লিফটের 3 ব্লক কে